AOS, Chef Zena here. Today we're going to make a berry salad. Today's recipe, you will need 3 tablespoons of whole buttermilk, 1 ounce of soft feta cheese, 1 teaspoon of honey, salt and pepper, 4 cups of spring mix salad, 1 cup of quartered strawberries, and a half a cup of fresh blueberries. For tools, you will need a mixing bowl, a small bowl, a spoon, and a salad tong. I don't have buttermilk, so I'm going to take a half a cup of milk, and I'm going to take 1.5 teaspoons of vinegar, and I'm going to add that to my milk, and then I'm going to stir this, and I'm going to let this sit for 5 minutes, and then I can use it in my recipe. Another substitution if you don't have buttermilk is to use yogurt, either plain yogurt or plain Greek yogurt. For our dressing, I have a honey allergy, so I'm eliminating that from our recipe, but when you make yours, you want to add the honey first. And then you want to add your buttermilk, and then you want to add half of your cheese, and you want to stir this around for your dressing. You want to add your salt and pepper. Hello, so we're going to take our spring mix, and I have tongs, but you can use your hands, and we want to take our dressing that we just made, and we want to put our dressing in and use our tongs and toss this around. And then we want to add our strawberries and our blueberries and our cheese. And toss it till it's nice and coated. Our spring mix berry salad with feta cheese. Until next time.